Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find PayPal transaction history. If you need to review past payments, check incoming money, or simply confirm the details of a recent transaction, PayPal makes it very straightforward to access your history right from your account dashboard. This is especially useful if you're managing personal spending, running a small business, or keeping track of online purchases for budgeting or tax purposes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can find your transaction records quickly and easily without getting lost in the menu or settings. Once you're on your PayPal account dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Activity. This is the main section where PayPal stores your account transaction history, including payments sent, payments received, refunds, and other account-related activity. It acts like a complete log of everything happening inside your PayPal account. After you open the Activity section, you'll see your transactions history displayed on the screen. This list gives you an overview of your recent account activity, making it easy to scroll through and locate the transaction you want to review. You can quickly scan by date, name, or amount to help you identify the right entry faster. Depending on your account usage, you may see a combination of completed payments, pending transactions, transfers, or other updates connected to your PayPal account. This is completely normal, especially if you use PayPal frequently for online shopping or receiving payments from clients or services. If you want to narrow down what you're seeing, click the icon at the top right to edit filters. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find a specific transaction and don't want to search through everything manually. Filters can help you sort by time period, transaction type, or status, which saves a lot of time when dealing with long transaction histories. Using filters can help you organize the list more efficiently so you can focus on the type of activity you need to review. For example, you can narrow it down to just payments received in the last month or only refunds if you're checking a specific issue. Once you've found a transaction you want to inspect more closely, click on it to see more information. Opening a transaction will typically show additional details which can help you verify the payment or better understand the activity listed in your history. This is useful when you need more than just the basic summary shown in the main activity list, especially if you're confirming who sent or received money and when it was processed. As a quick tip, if you're reviewing your account for record keeping or trying to confirm a payment, it's a good idea to carefully check the transaction details once you open them. That way, you can make sure you're looking at the correct entry before taking any further action, especially if you're dealing with multiple similar transactions. And that's all there is to it. By going to the Activity tab, reviewing your transaction list, using the filter icon when needed, and clicking into individual transactions for more details, you can quickly find your PayPal transaction history whenever you need it. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.